YouTube, long time no see. I hope you guys are all staying safe in the midst of this pandemic. You know, coronavirus, all that stuff really sucks. Personally, sucks for me as well. But that is another story for another day. Um, yeah, I'm just back here with another video. Of course, why else would you see my face? This time specifically, particularly another word that ends with Lee. I will be doing a haircut tutorial. And this specific haircut tutorial will be a taper slash shape up type afro thing. It's basically an afro taper, but it's shaped up a little differently. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Other than that, I just wanted to kind of go over my plans for the channel for the next video or two, or maybe like the foreseeable future in the summer. I'm planning on the next video being a that's a bee. Oh, I'm so scared of bees. Oh, I'm planning on the next video being some type of like maintenance routine slash like length check, just so you guys can see like how long my dreads have gotten slash like what I do slash like product review. So I'm gonna be reviewing the products that I use or have been using or have stopped using, and hopefully that's informative and helpful for a lot of people. So that is the plan for the next video. After that, I will be training over the summer for the sport that I do, which is track and field. I'll be training over the summer, so I might record some footage there. I might take my little brother along with me, and I have a training partner I train with. So I might just record what I'm doing and like how I'm staying in shape and slash how I'm getting in shape. I'm also sort of rehabbing from an injury, so I might just put that out there, and then hopefully you guys enjoy that content too. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the video. Stay safe, y'all, and be easy.